Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling orientation lock and choosing the app you plan to use upside down. Once done, hold the phone firmly with a balanced two-hand grip or mount it on a stable stand. This prevents accidental drops and keeps ports accessible. Make sure the app supports rotation and that you accept any permission dialogues. Otherwise, the interface might stay upright. Also, glance at the screen edge to confirm status icons remain visible, so you can proceed confidently to adjust layout and controls. You now tailor the phone for comfortable use inverted. Move frequently used controls toward your reachable thumb, enable reachability features, or switch to one-handed mode if available. Once done, flip camera orientation within the app or toggle any app-specific rotation options so previews and controls display correctly. Make sure cables and accessories are angled to avoid blocking microphones and speakers. While interacting, pause occasionally to check touch accuracy, because some touch zones can feel reversed when the device is upside down. You finish by locking orientation once the layout and controls sit right. This prevents annoying flips during use. Then run a quick test of audio, charging, and camera capture, while the phone remains inverted to ensure nothing is obstructed or misbehaving. If anything goes wrong, try the single most effective fix first. Toggle rotation lock off and on, then restart the phone. If rotation still fails, recalibrate the motion sensors in settings or reinstall the app. That one targeted reset usually resolves sensor hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.